Everyone here at Georgia Ophthalmologists was great with me and has been throughout the whole procedure. Dr. Bigles has been excellent in explaining what is going to happen, what the procedure would be like, and then the downtime.
I highly recommend Dr. Bigles. He is a very, very honest and professional ophthalmologist. He explains very well. He takes care of his patients. He cares about his patients. It's not something that you just go in and leave and then he's done with you. So that's why I recommend him.
When I first met Dr. Bigles, the conversation was great. It was straight to the point. Let's get you fixed. We see you got a problem. Let's get this taken care of for you. As far as like doing anything to my eyes and so forth, he was very gentle with what he was doing. Very kind person, very nice and polite. I mean, he was giving. Like it was, you know, hey, you want this? You need these eye drops. You need these things. You know, just a great doctor, you know, hands down.
Once I got into Georgia Ophthalmologists, it's more or less just going to the doctor, more about being like a family. Like you go in, everybody is really nice and welcoming in a sense, and very personable.
They're all very professional. They gave me a lot of literature on what was going to happen with my eyes. They all printed it out, what my eye surgery was going to cost. Everything's worked out real well. I'm pleased with the folks that work here.